In today's video, we're going to help you fix your Samsung A10s if you're experiencing issues with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working. These problems can be really frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a few troubleshooting steps that should help you get everything back up and running, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure there's nothing simple causing the issue. Well, check the basic settings for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Try restarting your Samsung A10. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix connectivity problems by refreshing the phone system. To restart, press and hold the power button, then tap on restart. After the phone restarts, check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are working properly. Next, make sure your airplane mode is off. Airplane mode disables Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. To check, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel and make sure the airplane icon is not highlighted. If it is, tap it to turn off airplane mode. If restarting and checking airplane mode didn't work, we can try resetting your network settings. This will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, so you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices afterward. To reset your network settings, open Settings and simply scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, simply click on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Settings and enter your PIN if prompted. Once done, your phone will reset its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to default, and this can often fix connection issues. Now, if none of the above solutions work, it's time to check if the issue is hardware related. Sometimes internal components like the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth antenna might be damaged. So there you go, we've walked through some basic troubleshooting steps to fix your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues on your Samsung A10s.